Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Telegram two-step verification after device change. To restore Telegram two-step verification after a device change, start by opening the Telegram app on your new device. Enter your phone number linked to your Telegram account. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Input the verification code to log into your account. If you have two-step verification enabled, you will be prompted to enter your additional password. If you remember the password, enter it now. If you do not remember the password, click on the Forgot Password link. Telegram will guide you through the password recovery process. You may need to check your recovery email for a reset link. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. Once your password is reset, return to the Telegram app. Log in again using your phone number and the newly created password. If successful, you will regain access to your account. You can now reconfigure your two-step verification settings if necessary. Make sure to update your recovery email if it is changed. If you encounter issues, check your internet connection and try again. For additional support, visit the Telegram Help Center for more detailed guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.